we're going to sink straight in, we're going to back out a bit, and then our tension is going to be that lean with our knee and pushing through that back leg and letting it come up to me. So we found the area here, and what I do is I'm able to get in there backed up with my thumb, just like that, and then I'm going to take the other hand and I'm going to sink in right there. I'm going to be just inferior to it, and it's going to be internal slide, it's going to come to me. So the first step is, come back up for me a little bit. The first step to get our depth is we're going to sink in with our sternum straight down, and then we're going to back out a bit, and then our tension is going to be a lean with the body. And then the client's going to come up through that motion nice and slow, and you're going to let it come up to you just like